Hey people, so I've reached this place called the Hyderabad Book Fair, and it opens at 2 and it is 10 minutes to 2. Like it's yet to open, I guess, but I've never seen an exhibition that is so silent, because that just goes to show that reading is not in very high demand, I guess. But yeah, we learn a lot, yeah. So I wonder where we get our tickets from, or is it a free entry? I'm not sure. It's difficult to walk and record at the same time, and it is hot. But अंदर जा सकते हैं क्या? इनका start. अब बोले, my God, I'm so keen to reach here early. This is a first time experience where the shops are just being set up. Okay, so this is interesting.